Hey everybody, it is DP with Alpha Traders, alphatraders.com, at Alpha Traders Inc. on YouTube and Twitter. Real quick ES update. Today was it's tough. I don't care who you were. If you caught the drop down, that's not even today. Hold on, let me get the real one. Let me get the 1 hour here. If you traded this successfully at every turn, congratulations, because that is tough to do. That is tough. Bias short. If you had a bias that was short, you were probably on point. Um, Very tough to trade this. This is hard when you think it looks like distribution and then it rocks you to get people in shorts. Then it comes back and retests that same line. Very tough. As you can see, ES right now it's a 4-hour rejection multiple times. You can see on the 4 hours how many times this level between 85 and 4,400 has been rejected. I think I counted 12, 13 times already. So on the 4 hour, you can see that although this is selling, 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 and it can't break this. This tells you right here that they wanted a piece of it. This selling today on the news that's tough. That is a tough sell. Got all the way to 83.50, which is very, very. I mean, it dropped literally from the morning. 12 hours later, it dropped 140 points, 130 points. So that's tough. Now, to me, this is pretty much everything now. 43.96. I would call it 4,400 myself. And I would think you get one more bite at the apple here tomorrow. I would think tomorrow. I know it sounds crazy because we're at 43.24 overnight. But with VIX above 30, anything can happen. Anything can happen. 100-point swings are normal day. So, navigating this, I would say as long as this bottom, this 42.81, and then if you go to the daily on ES, this right here, this 42.78 doesn't get violated, I think it's going to be okay. This will break the consecutive days of higher lows already. But I think it has a long way to run. I think it runs right back to that 4,400 line, probably overtakes it, probably gets to 44, 20, 21, 22. We'll call it 40. We'll call the mean 44.22. We'll call it. So that's another 100 points from now. I wouldn't long this actually. I think overnight this is going to, and overnight anything can happen. I'll be sleeping in my bed snuggly, all snuggled up in my blankies while this is going on. But I would think it's kind of losing its luster. You have a mini double top on the 5-minute. I would think this thing comes right back down to probably this area here, creates a double bottom. You get a W pattern out of it, and we run this thing right back up to 43.73, and I think we actually get through 4,400. So I know it doesn't sound like it, but the more I was looking at it and more I was looking at Dom on Sierra charts, I was, to me, this kind of, I mean, who knows? Maybe they just want to say, screw it. This is as low as they're going to go again, and zoop, they're going to zoop it back up. So 43.40, obviously a big number because it creeped over and then it hung out 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So that tells me 40. It's probably 43.40, 43.41, somewhere in there. I'll look at the Dom real quick on the other screen. Yeah, 43.41. Looks like they're holding it right above it. So we'll see how it goes. But I'm looking for this hang out, drop, zoom back up. That's what I'm looking for. If we lose the lows, lose 83, we lose 80, 81, we're probably going down. So there you go. alphatraders.com. Like, share, enjoy, you guys. Thank you.